Assalamu alaikum. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Now, let's start.
Hi, welcome to lesson 41. Let's continue the conjugation of the imperative, and now it's time for أنتم. أنتم means you all. And this group, either all of them are males or it's a group of males and females. Now, what is the conjugation of this? أنتم. At the end of أنتم, we add واو and then alif, but this alif is silent. So, for example, we know that the default is أنت سافر, travel. Let's change this. We use this a lot. Let's say أنت اذهب. أنت اذهب. So if you talk to a group of people, you say أنتم. You're going to put this as it is first. So اذهب, and then you add واو and alif, and this alif is silent. أنتم اذهبوا. You all go. Let's have another example. You can say أنتم كلوا. You eat, because we have the default of كلوا is for أنت. You say أنت كل. So you're going to put this here, and then you add واو and alif. كلوا كل, and then واو and alif, the conjugation. This is for lesson 42. Oh, sorry, 41.
Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment with any questions or topics you would like to see next. And make sure to subscribe to support the channel and stay updated with new videos. See you the next lesson.